All right, good morning, everyone. All right, we got some big news. We got some heavy hitting news coming in as we're down big. Just like I said in the video, if you watched the review and rev up, you knew it was coming. It was very obvious what was about to happen, and we got hammed. Market got annihilated. Sure enough, I called it. Very obvious what was about to happen. Let's see. Looks like the Joey just fired off, did it not? Dive into it here in just a second. Let me get acclimated. All right, we're on heavy volume. That's the first thing I'm going to point out. All right, let's get trading view going here. Okay, so the first thing. Okay, whatever. I don't know what that means. So the question is, we've made it down into this fair value gap. Do we come down and touch this high to high trend line that could become support? Okay, which lines up right around at 1850. Okay, or do we go back straight up through this gap because of the over undervaluing of said tariffs, or the panic selling is what what we could call it, right? So the NQ is already green, based upon where it opened, from where it opened, not from the gap. I am bidding some puts above here. I don't know if I'll get filled or not. I'm bidding some puts, just like I said in the video. If you've watched the video, you know exactly what's going on. I named all of this. I told you exactly what could happen, and it did. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. That's where we did all the argument, right? So now we got the judgment here of whether we reclaim or not. Let's go to the 15-minute. Sideways. Which way do they run liquidity? Do they draw it or do they run it? That's what we're going to be watching this morning. Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. And I'm going to go ahead and say 15-minute down. Okay, that's what I thought. And they're going to catch some people off guard here on this little rally here. We're at the edge of value to the upside. All right, I'm going to go ahead and go over to Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and get my Mancinis on my charts. If you want more information about how we do the Mancinis, go ahead and inquire within. Going to go ahead and put these on my chart now. Trade them. Trade from and to them. And we do have news at 8:30 and 10 a.m. or 9:45. Let's confirm that real quick. Yeah, 9:45 and 10 a.m. 9:45 and 10 a.m. All right, good. Good. All right, 51.49 fails. 51.49, 34 support weak now. Keeps 59.90, 6008 and 601620 live. 34 fails. We sell to 59.07. I would love for it to get to 6016 because that'll fill me on my calls, on my puts, excuse me. I don't think I got filled. Let me confirm this. I don't think I could. I'm bidding way under the market. I want a big pop for it to drop first. 6016 is where I bought those last puts and got smoked. But they were really, really cheap. Oh, nope, I'm not in it. Joey, are you here yet? Go ahead and get my Mancinis all lined out on the charts. So it'll be just a minute, folks. Happy February. All right, so we've got a basically a bracket between 20 and 34. A very large bracket. 60-20 and 59-34. Very, very large bracket. Don't forget Apex 80% off for their flash sale. Ends the 5th. Not yet. No, here's the deal. If you don't trade large size, they're not interested in you. It doesn't matter to them. If you don't trade 10,000, 20,000 micros, what do they care if they're going to lower your cost? Yeah. It doesn't, there's no volume in it. They're not going to haggle with me for $3.80 a day. That's just not going to work. All right, let's see. Friday we had Slava Sharko as a subscriber. Welcome. I didn't see that. I don't know what was happening. I did not see it. All right. So if you're wondering if I have a plan, not really. Follow my plan. Follow my process. Hurry up and wait. We are outside the narrowest range the last 7 days. By a mile. Morning. Looks like we're just in a pretty wide range chop here. 60 and 62 and 88. $15-minute kiss charts all over the place. No, what the hell? If I see something, I'll call it. If not, I got nothing. We're in a big range, 88, 62. That's it. Nothing to say. let me explain why I'm being so quiet. Okay, you can't just say this is going lower. You can't say that because if this was going lower, it would have went lower last night. You can't say, okay, it didn't go lower, it's going higher. If it were going higher, it would have went higher last night. Let it tell us what it's going to do. Okay, right now we're 62 to 88. That's it. I mean, if you guys want a dog and pony show, I can give it to you, but that's not going to help your trading. Okay? Smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new. If you're new, welcome. Don't forget the 80% off sale on Apex right now. Also, is it Take Profit Trader? Take Profit Trader has the best prices on micros. If you're a micro trader in the prop firms, take a look at the pricing on micros with Take Profit Trader. And here's the link for Apex as well. Just going to leave them all out there for you. We've got about 10 and a half minutes till my favorite time of the morning. It'll be the top of the hour. Mental bandwidth is going to be important today if we're going to go sideways like this, right? Everybody thinks it's going to be the next big move. It's going to be the next this, the next that. What if it's not? Or is that like Firmo? Schrott Firmo 74.5. Is Schrott like fault? I do. Because I am terrible at typing. So I got to make fun of other people that are terrible too. It's like when I see another bald guy, man. I got jokes, right? Another fat guy, I got jokes. I would love to tell you that this is the perfect short, but I can pick 15 things out of it that just don't look right. Don't just because they fly with one set of bands doesn't mean they're flying with another, right? We really have a bigger range than 62 to 88, right? We've got 88 to 40. Why would a different symbol be any different than human nature? Yeah, you're the one that makes it more difficult, not me. Not me. I filter out, not in, my friend. I filter out, not in. All right, we got 15 seconds to my favorite time of the morning, folks, and you're going to hear it crack refreshingly. All right, let's go ahead and get them ready to get clanging in the air. It's going to be a salute to a wonderful week of trading, everybody. Let's stay safe. Friday, we've got non-farm payrolls. Let's get them up in the air. Cheers, everybody. Spam that cheers emote. Anyone else have an Apple Watch that they find that it's absolutely worthless? That the only thing you do with it is scratch it up and charge it? Hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to smash that like button since we are back on YouTube. Control Shift R if you're on NinjaTrader, because the VWAP is supposed to be 65 even. I've got that on the 2-minute and the 15-minute confirmed. Anyone else have that? Everyone else have that? VPOC 70. Skew right on the profile. Lots of volume. Lots of volume. Looks lower. They're leaning into the bid. Weird. Oh, I have the wrong one on. Ah. 6 minutes. Here we go. 30 seconds, folks. Look at the difference. Look at that. 10 points in just a matter of seconds. $90 is the first Mancini above. Decision point. Well, that decision was made. They sold it. Ooh, they're about to lay into it. Watching 65. $66, if they can get it. Did they get the draw on liquidity on the buy side enough to slam it down now? My over-under right now is 79. Above it, they're going to buy it, or I'm watching to see if there's buyers underneath it. I want to see if they lean into it. Above it, I want to see if they lean into it. Below it, I want to see if they buy it. Whoa, sorry. Okay, I'm watching 66. Do they get it there or not? This was supposed to be the buy side lick. We're gonna find out here right now. Or 88, right? What I want to know is, was that all the buy side lick, or is there more? Okay, VAH is right above us at about 82.50. They're trying to buy it through. We'll see if they do. Let's see. I'm chilling. Looks like they're going to smash it. All right, sitting on a higher high. Watching 66 if they can get it there. What I'm watching is, where is the draw on liquidity, right? Where's the draw on liquidity? And then they slam it on them, right? Is it a little bit higher? Is it a little bit lower? Look, on the 15-minute chart, look, they're just barely creeping up into that BI, right? Just barely creeping up into that. If you draw your high to high, here it is right here. right? So it's barely drawing on liquidity, right? Now, all of our 2-minute charts and everything's bullish, 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 bullish. Okay, be careful. The range is sideways after a large gap down. It has to prove first, right? Are they about to trap the weak players thinking this goes up? Okay, still watching 79. Look at how they just bounced off of 79 right now. Same thing. Look, actually, and I didn't even notice it, to the tick 79, right? So my over under is still 79 in the 2-minute chart. Because are they finding sell side lick down there? Or not, right? This looks so trappy, folks. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. $79, $79, $79. What do they do with it? Decision point. So does it go 84 or 74 next? Okay, there's your PMI, or is that right? PMI manufacturing final. That was, they didn't like that. Okay, ISM manufacturing coming in at 10 a.m. Okay, still watching 66. 66 is your low to low trend line. Still watching 66. All right, decision point right here. We've got the 200 simple, and we've got the prior swing low. That was the sell side lick low below 79. Okay, watching right here, 75s. Do they take a mockery of them? All right, so we hit 74 before we hit 84. Now what? Now what? There's your 74s. Yeah, bottom. Still watching 66, folks. There's no way we get to 66. Come on, stop. Okay, watching 66, watching 66. Does it get there? Does it get there? Does it get to 66? $10,000 people, maybe more. Struggling with the 70s. They found a buyer. 70.50. He bought him. Let's see if they smush him. Smush him. They're like, hey, you wait, hold on. He's like, hold on. I got more. Back off, son. All right, how many more times can they print that or not, right? He liked the 70.50s. He liked them. Let's see if he hates them now. He's like, well, I mean, they're okay. He's like, they're okay now, right? But, right? Watch. Uh-oh. He might not like him anymore, fam. He might have been the one that got out right around 75, 75. Let's see. It's getting bouncy, fam. 79 and 66 are my two numbers. $66 is the target. 66 is the target. $70 half in control by volume on the tape. 79 is my over-under on the 2-minute chart. VWAP 68, 34. Low-to-low trend line 66. Coming in hot. Those are my levels. 79, 84, obviously 90, right? Uh-oh, 70.50s. What are you going to do? Are you going to defend? Let's see. Here's the deal, folks. I don't know if they have more, right? I'm not the oracle. Right now, it's holding 7. They're about to hammer this thing. Oh boy, the people that are trying to stock up long, that are not paying attention to that the guy probably got out or he was covering a short. Oh. I want to remind everyone there's 2 different types of sell orders, right? There's 2 different types of buy orders. Okay, there's buy to open and buy to close. Don't forget that there's 2 different kinds. They are both buy orders. They both show up on the tape. This thing is getting jumpy. Oh boy. If you ask me, they're leaning into the bid. It looks lower. Because not only does it jump like, 2 or 3 points, it falls 2 or 3 points just the same. Watch. $79, $84, $90, and $66 are my levels. 70 half is your tape. Watching 66 is the target. Show it. Show me 66. Show me Shawshank Redemption. Show me 66. This VWAP is deep. Think of the weak people trying to buy it to open, right? There's a difference between buying it to close or buying it to open. Here's the deal. If you're buying it to open for 8 months from now, that's completely different than buying to open right here because you think it's going to bounce when there's no way you can define the stop. Because if you think your stop is at 60, they've got a plan for you. They have a plan for you. Ready? Let's see what that plan is. That's the frickin' plan. Flat. Short at 86, 82, and 79. Flat at 66. 20 points, 16 points, and 13 points. Flat. Now, is this all the sell side lick or what? What do we got going on, fam? 66 printed. Now what? Let's go. They had to find the buy side lick to get enough down here. They had to trap enough losing traders long on any push. And then once we got this red overtakes green, right? I entered here and I think I had a 6 or 7 point stop. I was just willing to risk it, right? Okay. And then once we started going here, it's like, okay, all right, go ahead. 84, go ahead. 79 was my number, and here it goes right through 79. Bink! 66 prints. I have not gotten filled on any of my puts. I have not gotten filled on any of my puts. I'm bidding way below the market, just to be clear, because when I put my bid in, it was showing a completely different number. I was bidding 11 when it was showing 11 by 16, and then all of a sudden it trades 43 by 44. Well, I'm not going to get filled there, right? All right, now look at how we nailed that bad boy right there at 66, right? Do you see the 66, folks? Let me show you. Is that how I have it? I'm sorry. Here's your 66. That's where I got 66 from. You reminisce about the This looks really bad. I have no idea what's going to happen next. No clue. So I took those. Just in the micros, 3 contracts. Just to be clear, micros, because it was so crazy, right? 86, 84, 79. And my stop was above the Mancini 90s. Into the sound. And I'm only trading this account today, just to be clear. My dumb trading on Friday was enough to bring me back in line. Let's get situated first, Rev, before you do anything dumb. Dumb is spelled D-U-M. Did you guys know that? D-U-M. Okay, we got 1 minute till the big news. Let's stand by. Let's stand by 1 minute until the big news. And I did that on 3 micros. That's really, 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 really good, folks. Look at that. 223 after commissions on 3 micros. Oh, baby. Yeah. Randy, baby. Randy. 63.75. Look at my 63.75. Here we go. Stand by. Look at the bids and offers going to 0. Oh boy. Oh boy. We're down. Look, we're down big and they're about to pop this number on us. Oh no. Think of all the people that just tried to go long on that wick bar. They got slapped. That's where all the stops are right there. Okay. Now the market can do whatever it's going to do. Listen, fam. It ran the buy side liquidity. You can see it right at the top. It ran the sell side liquidity. Okay. Now what? Right? This is the question we continue to ask the market. Now what? Okay. Bink. I want Claritin. The only thing that I saw was fading the buy side liquidity, right? I can't tell you to fade this sell side liquidity. And why not? Watch. Are you ready? I'm going to give you the answer. Ready? The 15-minute KISS chart. It's back into position 1. You can't short big time position 1 on a break. Long. I'm so sorry. You can't go long. You can't go long against this, even if it's Mm. That is bullish, bearish, bullish. That's the question, G. Did they get him? See, now old losing us is going, okay, where's the buy order? Where's the buy order here? Folks, get ready for a flush. Higher probability of a flush than a bounce from right here. Okay? And don't be like, okay, short the bottom. Whoa, 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 whoa. I just won't be going long. Tell me why it's 63. Oh, but where would the stop be? Ooh, where's the stop on that? Is it at 76 or is it at 70.50? G. Oh, yo, what's cracking? And then 70.50 was the tape read, right? So we got to be careful. We got to, yup. Mm-hmm. Yeah, G-Man, I see it. So here's what he's showing us, folks. Is that 2 minutes? He's showing us the G-Man trade, right? Where would we go long as a losing trader? Where would we go long as a losing trader? Let's mark it out. Here's where we would go long as a losing trader. Okay. I'm just going to leave it at that. Okay. Yeah, the stop is if you ask me, it's 76. Right. Okay, but the hard part about the stop at 70.50 right here, G, is 70.50 is the tape read. So we've got it just says don't do anything, right? Okay, now your tape read, fam. Now your tape read is 60. 60 even. Here's your old 70.50 right here. Yeah, this is not small ball trading today, fam. I want to be very, very clear on that aspect. Buckwild. Yeehaw! Yeah, my hands are actually crossed, so I can't grab the mouse and do something stupid down here. Look, because you could literally. Oh, here, let's do it. Let me do it for you. Let's flip a coin. Okay, it's from 62. Let's try that again. Okay, from 62. Oh, good, because it's at 62. It's heads. So the quarter says heads. I say tails. So Andy, there is something about today that isn't right. If you watched yesterday's video, you know my opinion. And yes, 250 points ago, I sold over 40% of my IRA portfolio. I got timestamps to prove everything. It didn't look right. When they were hammering the tape at 6 6142. Hold on. Let me say the right number. When they were hammering the tape at 6142, it said, yo. I'm down to the smallest position I can have in all of my tech stocks. My largest position is half of the ET that I had. Okay. I did not get filled in any puts because people are not going to trust the Trump bombs that keep coming through. Fam, you have a short. I like, and I'm just drawing it. I like 62.25 with a 66.50. Target of 58. You reminisce about the Ooh, almost hit my target. Come on now. Don't be shy. Okay, don't be shy. Put the work in. Feel free to sell it to your friends. Ooh, that's the wrong way. Do I have the right stop in there? 66.50 stop. I had the wrong stop in there. Oh my goodness. I have 1 micro. I'm trading very, very light today. I'm getting my head back on the swivel here. 1 micro with a 4.25 point stop. That's it. I got a 58 target, fam. I am light today. Light. There's too much nonsense on Friday. I did trade 3 contracts short on that last one. This one's going to go the wrong direction. One tick to my target. And then a full stop out. Yeah, I'm never going to let that happen again. That's not ever going to happen again. That is not ever going to happen again. Well, whatever. Yep. 1 tick for my target. That's what happens. I didn't move my stop down. It said, thank you. I mean, luckily it was only $20. And I'm green still green 218 or whatever. I'm trading small today, fam. Trading small and possibly frequent. It might have been 2 ticks from my target, but nonetheless, I should have moved my stop down. That's okay. Stop was 7 points. The stop was 9 points. Nope. 52 target if you're short. If you're short the 61s or so, you've got a 5 deuce target. That's removing a lot of lick. I don't yeesh, right? Think of being a breakdown trader right here. That's crazy. You know what I mean? I was just about to short 57.50. Target would still be 52. Nope. Nope. I am not going to put the order in there because if that comes back, that is going to be a green reversal bar. See how it's the next green overtakes red as we go into position 1 on the 2-minute chart? But the problem is if that snaps back and grabs you at 750 at 8 even, or whatever that number is, 775. $52.50 would be your target. You wouldn't have gotten filled, but here's what it looks like. Risking 1 bar. No matter what, wherever you're short, okay, start covering it 52 half. If you can get it back down there. Hold if you got some. I mean, because man, they have the longs by the short and curlies, right? That is the perfect draw on liquidity right here. Perfect. Okay, so now how low can they get it? I'm bummed I'm not in this short. I was 1 bar too early, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean. You know what I mean, Lucy. You know what I mean. Okay. Let me make sure. Today's the 3rd. Okay. So 49 to 51 is Mancini on the low side. 90 was Mancini on the high side. We're about to hit both. Okay. We just hit 90. We're about to hit the 51s. Ooh, yeah, brother. Ooh, yeah. Cautiously bearish. Okay. If you watched my video yesterday, I said it. We tried to get the video out from editing before the market opened, so it wouldn't look weird that like, oh, I think they filmed it right after the market opened, and he just kind of knew it was down. Folks, that had to go through post, right? There was editing involved in that. That took time to create that video. It doesn't just come out, right? That video was filmed way before, okay? Watch that video. Sunday Night Review and Rev Up, we're rarely wrong, right? Because here's what we don't do. We don't rat hole ourselves into one side of the trade. We say, well, if this happens, this could happen. If this happens, this could happen. And that's the way that we trade. There's your 52s. Folks, I called them again. What would you believe? I just wouldn't have gotten filled. My order would have been 75 short with a 63 stop. There's your 51s. Mancini coming in. Ooh, look at that move. Ooh, look at that move. Okay, it hit the Mancini 49.51 and said, right? Perfect. Furpeck. Okay, no change. 49.34. Weak now. Must hold to keep upside. Sell to 97, 59.07 below. Let's go. The biggest scammer on the internet just called 2 perfect levels. Let's go. Mancini's the real deal, and Sage is a scam. I love it. I love it. Sage is the scam. Let's go. Number 1 scammer on YouTube. That's my new catchphrase. Revan P. Wood, number 1 scammer on YouTube. Don't listen. Don't join. Don't do it. Don't. I don't recommend. Huh? No. Oh. All right. That's my new motto. Number 1, Revan P. Wood, number 1 scammer on YouTube. Yeah, chilling. Notice I'm just making jokes, Brian. This is vicious because think about this. Not only are we going sideways like this, okay, it went major gap down sideways. Okay, so what that tells me is be careful, bears. Did it get ahead of itself? Do we go much higher? We're going to find out on this buy-side liquidity. Do they draw it or run it? We don't know. Let's watch. Here we are back at the 90s from the 51. It just went Mancini. It just went 90, 51, 90. You heard it first from the biggest scammer on YouTube, Revan P. Wood. Woo! What does he know? Man. Yes. It's to be quoted, it's Revan Wood, Sage, ? The biggest scammer on YouTube. Let's go. It is confirmed. Let's go. But hey, I don't know nothing. I don't know nothing about 52, right? I don't know nothing about calling 66. I don't know. I don't know nothing, guys. Revan P. Wood. If you're wondering what I'm talking about, go over to Top Step Facebook. You'll see what I'm talking about. See, here's the deal. People that invest small amounts of money, here, let me explain this. People that invest small amounts of money have no fucking clue what they're talking about when it comes to a trade war. The people that invest billions of dollars know exactly what's happening right now. Why is there a trade war? Those of you that are in this room that think you're so effing smart, tell me, what is the point of the trade war? What is the actual point of the trade war? I bet most of you can't tell me, and you're just reading the lines of the headlines of the internet. The point of the tariff is not to make 25% off of Mexico, folks. You'll learn. If you don't know, do your studying. Listen to the people that invest billions, not the people on Twitter that invest hundreds, okay? Do that. Do yourself that service in your life. In your life. Jesus Christ. Folks. There is only one reason he creates the tariffs. Now, here's the deal. He has explained it very clearly. very clearly. Let's bring production back on shore. So we don't need China. Oh, that's going to cause inflation. You have no idea what you're talking about. Remember, journalists are just journalists. You guys see that the dollar, do you see that the pound is 53% weaker against the dollar? You guys see that? If you take all of the overall components of it, I was reading this thing. 53% loss of buying power from the pound to the dollar. Wow, folks. It's $8 a dozen here at the store. But here's a hack. Here's a hack for you. Trader Joe's doesn't raise or lower the prices of their eggs. They either win or lose on it. But they're sold out within the first 5 minutes of when they open. Here's what we have to understand. President Trump has to do the demand destruction that Powell is too pussy to do. This is what you're seeing. Demand destruction. He can't fire Powell, folks. That's not how it works. They're two separate systems of the government. Ooh, if this rallies a lot, I will get filled on my put. It has to rally a lot. Oh, way more than this. Hey, Alexa, who hires the federal chair? This is why I was being so careful down there, folks. This is exactly what I was talking about. This is exactly what I was talking about. I was like, look, you got to be, even though the 15-minute is straight down, 2 minutes is turning down, we can't just go shorting in the hole like that, right? So even if I was going to take that short at 775, my stop was literally whatever 3.5 points above it or whatever it was. So there was no leeway. I was very tight with it. S2 is 6001. All right. 16 Mancini. 1620. They don't hate each other. Guys, let's be very clear. Let's be clear. Okay. It was Biden and Powell, right? Not Trump and Powell. Trump is just using the fiscal policy. Okay. Trump has control over the fiscal policy. Powell has control over the monetary policy as he is the federal chairman, right? The two of them have to combine. The reason we're in this predicament was they weren't on the same page. The prior administration. And look, I'm not being like, oh, Republican, I'm a Republican, I'm a Democrat. I don't believe in either of them scandals. Okay. What I'm saying is actual fact that the fact that they were spending so much freaking money and printing money when the Democrats were in control. This is the repercussions of it. But I want to be clear. It's not just what's happened over the last 4 years. You can't just blame Biden. You have to blame all the presidents before. You have to blame Ben Bernanke. Okay, if you don't know who that is, right? You have to blame Alan Greenspan, who's the one that started this whole racket, right? Or perpetuated it, excuse me, allowed the money to continue to be printed. That's why there's crypto billionaires, folks. How would someone be a billionaire in that degree if they didn't increase the money supply? Of course he did, Joey. Of course he did. I only recommend Coinbase because it's an actual publicly traded company. It's a huge stop. It's a huge stop. I think there's better trades. There it goes. There goes the G-Man. Wow. Wow. hesitated. Oh, there's the order. Ah, wow. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. That's going to do it for me. I'll see everybody tomorrow. Before I give back all this money that I just made,